So what have we got here, boys? What have we got here? We have got the optical glass and metal tube, the F36050 telescope. So guys, when you see the night sky out there, the moon and the stars, I'm sure you would like to take a closer look at them. Well, say hello to the telescope star 36050, another boys adventurous toys. Well, I accept that this is not an expert lens out here, but the box, it tells us it's good enough to see the moon up close. Perhaps this is a Saturn, and I'm very much sure it can show us Venus, which we normally refer to as the morning star and the evening star. And perhaps we can, if we are lucky enough, we can see the red planet, which is Mars. We can see Saturn, Jupiter, the gas giants. I'm pretty much sure we can look at the gas giants with this thing. So while we are really stuck in our homes, and while this virus goes around, it's a good thing that we've got these tools so that we can keep up with our adventure side of our life. Let's look what we've got here. We've got a manual over here. We're gonna take a look at it. What else to expect? Now, we got the tripod stand. All right, we got the stand over here. Then we got the main tube. It's not getting out. It's not getting out. All right, now it's getting out. We got the main tube over here. What's that? The angle prism, perhaps. All right, this is the angle prism over here. This has to be the first eyepiece. This has to be the second eyepiece. And this has to be, let's open it up and see what this is. Well, that's it for the packing. Let's assemble this telescope, boys. Now, let's see how we're gonna assemble this thing. I think this one goes here. All right, let me just assemble it first. So I just assembled the main tube on the tripod. I'm gonna take off this cover. Now it is time for the angle prism to go in. I think it goes in over here. No, not here. Perhaps here. Not even here. No, it goes in here. Now they have given us two lenses, and let us see what is the resolution of the lens over here. Now the first one, and it says it is, I'll show you. It is a 20 millimeter eyepiece. So this is a 20 millimeter eyepiece. This one, it goes in over here, and with this I can have a better resolution. But if I want something to be clearer, I'll use the other lens, and that is a 6 millimeter. So I guess for the viewing of the moon, I would be going for this one. A lot bigger, a lot clearer. The manual says that this is the green filter. We use it to view the moon because there is a lot of light. It is a big celestial object. It reflects a lot of light of the sun. So we might be needing this green filter so that when we are looking at the moon, we do not damage our own eyesight, and the whole thing can be clear. Now, lastly, what is this thing? I just went through the manual. in order to find out what this thing is, and I found out that if we would want to multiply the resolution of the eyepieces further 1.5 times, we can use this. How we can use it? We can just take off the angle prism, and this is what I'm doing right now. I'm taking it off, and instead, so you can just fix this thing over here, and it is going to increase the resolution to 1.5 times, and then you can really attach the eyepieces at the back of it, and you can look at the result. Well, it seems good to go. It seems all good to go. So gonna try tonight and shall be back in the morning.